For all the weekend warriors and loyal regardless of the score, screaming until the end supporters out there, we understand you. For all the we keep the rivalry alive, rally cap wearing, head-to-toe mascot dressed fans, we support you. For all the guys and gals that still talk about that last championship from 10 years ago like it was this season, we have been you. For all the anything's an excuse to mix up some good old veggies and meats, or everything is better with cheese masters, and for those no-fear attitudes that scream irregardless of time and place, well, I can cook that, we join you. For the high-five giving, touchdown screaming, the refs are always wrong and any game's an excuse to eat, so let's meet up before the game, buddies of gridiron, we cheer you. And for you, the backyard experience parking lot located back 40 travel tailgate trained master chefs of the world, we are your biggest fans. This cooker's for you. Cheers, America. Tailgate strong.